Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another Townhouse update video for those asking. We're just gonna walk through it real quick. I'm gonna show you everything that we still have left. There isn't much, like I've said in previous videos, it seems like, but once you get down to the fine little detail things, there is a lot that you start to notice. So we just have a bunch of stuff still on the ground, but the floors are done. Kitchen table is painted. We enclosed all the stairs, painted the stairs, still just needs to be touched up. All the baseboard and everything is in. Every single door is painted. We are reversing this door because it swung open into such a tiny bathroom, but we're gonna reverse that door right there. So that's the only door not hung. Every single doorknob is basically on. Kitchen granite is in. I can't remember if that was in on the last video. And then my wife actually installed all the backsplash, her first time ever doing backsplash. So we're waiting for that to settle before we put the grout in. And we did unfortunately have to get a new window. But that is very nice to have. So now it actually functions in the kitchen. We're gonna put one more cabinet up there on top of the fridge. That is just sitting right there. We got couches. Can't remember if I had couches in the last video, but Facebook Marketplace, they were 600 bucks, originally like $1,400 couches, and they've only been used for like 2 months, and then they sat in storage because it didn't fit someone's decor, basically. Coming into this bathroom, this tub is finally nice and white, no more yellow. Toilet's all set in, vanity's good, and we hung the mirror as well. That is crooked because it fell out of the anchor, so we need to get that taken care of. Coming up to the stairs now, we have the beadboard and everything. Oh yeah, and we enclosed the bottom half right here, so that just needs to get touched up and finished. Have beadboard all on the stairs. We put the vinyl down right here. And then we painted the tops of the stairs like a nice dark gray, not too gray, not too black, but as you can see, we still need to touch up some spots. And then we have the beadboard, of course, right here as well. Going upstairs, not much has changed upstairs because the upstairs is all done. Got Remington's toy right there that he's been playing with. But all the doors are hung upstairs, which is super nice. And then coming outside, we put this post up. I can't remember, that one was in the last video. And look at this sick little free trailer I basically got. It's almost the size of the 4Runner, but hey, free's free. The only thing I had to pay for was tires because it had bad tires. And the landscaping is done too. So we put these temporary pads down and everything and then just mulched it, cleared out a bunch of shrubbery. I still need to paint that fence. But other than that, this landscaping's done. We have nice rock all right here because before that air conditioning unit was basically just sitting in the in the dirt, which is bad. So landscaping's all done, and in the back I just power washed it and everything. Power washed portion of it, little shower area, and then the back has been somewhat power washed. I still need to keep cleaning it so you could tell the difference from there and to here, but the water for the hose to my power washer was just puddling up too much. So I just wanted to stop because there was a lot of water getting all over the place. But then there's a new window also, looks really, really good. So if you guys are new around here and just came across this video and are wondering, hey, does this guy do Toyota stuff as well? I do. Check out some other videos. If you guys like that this thing is almost done, go ahead and give a thumbs up, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.